Hi, I'm Mark Lovegrove. I'm the Facilities Manager for Cloudy Bay. We're at our barracks vineyard, and what we're doing here is part of the vision for Cloudy Bay is planting 10% of our non-arable area up in natives. This has a couple of benefits, and where we're using it to benefit Cloudy Bay in several ways is behind me you'll see the steep bank, and what we're doing, areas like this we're planting up to reduce tractor usage. Takes moisture out of the ground because it gets quite wet down the toe of the hill. So with our native program, besides increasing the biodiversity in the ecosystem, we're actually performing a function of health and safety work. No tractor work on these hills anymore, no slippages, just making the environment a lot friendlier to work in. On a number of areas in this vineyard, I've used Poa sitta as a major planting. The bonus this has for us is that after the first year where we might hot wire it when it's new plants, it then can be self-managed. If we have sheep grazing, they can pick through it naturally and not have to worry about destroying the plants and so forth. But a bonus for machinery operations is the machinery tractor use can come right up to the edge of it with sprayer units on and so forth. They swing around over top of it, they're not hitting fences, and it's just reducing a chance of damage to machinery and equipment. And once again, this looks after itself. This block that I'm in now, this is about 5 years old. For the first 18 months, we might have done some relief spraying, but now in amongst it, it's got self-generating POA. The sheep maintain it when we graze sheep through here, taking all the herby plants and grasses out where it's not needed, but primarily it just looks after itself. The payoffs now has been dramatic. We've reduced the amount of moisture coming through down to the bottom of the banks. It's healthier for the vines for a start. It's increasing our native bird life. Hearing the bird songs through the year now is magic, and it's just our incidents have just stopped. Where tractor slippages and rollovers and that type of scenario won't happen on this vineyard because we've taken those dangerous points out of the equation. We have a whole week set aside with staff coming out and planting, getting their hands dirty, interdepartmental communication, just a really good fun day. What they really love is actually coming out the next year and seeing their work grown and what they're doing and being a part of it.